Look no further than the 2017 Honda CR-V. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this stylish and up-for-anything CR-V. Its innovative design, premium feel, all-weather capability, and advanced safety and connectivity technology sets the standard for small SUVs and crossovers. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, rear spoiler, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer. Give yourself the upgrade you deserve. Get into the Honda CR-V and drive well. We'll put you behind the wheel today.